Welcome to the UniRC 10 Pro binding tutorial. Binding is a critical step in establishing communication between the ground unit and the air unit. Next, we will complete the binding operation in 4 steps. Please remember this air unit indicator status for quickly determining whether the binding is successful. First step, install the antenna. Screw the ground unit antenna vertically and tighten it, avoiding any obstruction of the signal. Next, tighten the air unit antenna and ensure it is kept away from sources of interference. Step 2. Power on. Install batteries in the ground unit and the air unit respectively, then power them on. Please ensure the device has sufficient battery power to avoid power failure during the binding process. Step 3. Initiate binding from the ground unit. Swipe down the menu to find the binding function. The ground unit's red light flashes rapidly with a buzzing sound, which indicating that it is waiting for a response from the air unit. Step 4. Air unit response. Press and hold the binding button on the air unit for 2 seconds. The air unit's red light flashes rapidly, entering binding mode. Please wait a few seconds patiently, which indicates that the binding is successful. Summary: 1. Install the antenna. 2. Power on. 3. Initiate binding. 4. Wait for the green light.